Hey Raj. So today's topic is something really close to daily life. Lesson 21, English Conversation with a Friend.
Oh, this should be easy, right? I mean, talking to friends is the most natural thing.
You'd think so, but a lot of people actually struggle with this. They can handle formal English at work, but casual friend talk feels different. More relaxed, more slang, more jokes.
True, actually. Talking to my boss and talking to my best friend are two completely different styles.
Exactly. So today, let's have a completely casual conversation, like two friends catching up, and I'll point out useful phrases along the way.
Okay, let's do it. Should we just start talking normally?
Yes, let's begin. Hey Raj, long time no see. What's up?
Hey, not much. Just been super busy with work. What about you? What's new?
Same here, honestly. Work's been crazy lately. Hey, did you catch the cricket match last night?
Yes, it was insane, right? I couldn't believe that last over finish.
I know! I was literally screaming at my TV.
Same here. My neighbors probably thought something was wrong with me.
Okay, pausing here for a second. Notice the casual phrases we just used. What's up? Instead of how are you? Not much as a casual reply. Did you catch the match? Catch here means did you watch it? And I was literally screaming, using literally for emphasis, very common in casual English.
Oh, I use literally all the time, even in Hindi conversations, honestly.
That word has become universal. Okay, let's continue the conversation. So, Raj, any weekend plans?
Actually, yes, a few of us are planning to grab dinner on Saturday. You in?
Ooh, sounds fun. Where are you guys thinking of going?
Not sure yet. Maybe that new Italian place everyone's been talking about.
I'm so down for that. Count me in.
Nice, I'll add you to the group chat.
Pausing again. Great casual phrases here. You in? Short way of asking, are you interested slash joining? I'm so down for that. Means very interested. Very casual slang. And count me in means include me. I'll join.
These are honestly phrases I hear all the time, but never really understood how to use myself.
That's the goal today. Not just understanding them, but actually using them confidently. Okay, let's continue. So, Raj, how's your family doing?
They're doing good, thanks for asking. My sister just got a new job actually.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. Tell her I said congrats.
I will, she'll be happy to hear that. What about your family?
They're doing fine. My parents are planning a small trip next month, so they're pretty excited about that.
That's nice. Where are they headed?
Somewhere in the hills, I think. They want to get away from the city heat for a bit.
Smart move, honestly. This heat has been unbearable lately.
Notice, tell her I said congrats is a very common friendly phrase, passing on a message. And get away from the city means to take a break. Escape somewhere different.
I actually say unbearable a lot too, whenever it's really hot or annoying.
Great word to know. Okay, let's continue our chat. Hey, by the way, did you watch that new show everyone's talking about?
Oh my god, yes. I binged watched the whole season in like 2 days.
No way, I'm only halfway through. No spoilers, please.
Don't worry, my lips are sealed.
Good, because I would actually be so mad if you ruined it for me.
Trust me, I get it. Someone spoiled a movie ending for me once, and I still haven't forgiven them.
So many good phrases here. Binge watched means watching many episodes continuously. No spoilers. Don't reveal what happens. My lips are sealed. I won't tell anyone. A really fun idiom. And ruined it for me, meaning someone spoiled the surprise.
My lips are sealed is such a fun phrase. I'm definitely using that one.
It's a great one. Okay, let's do one more part of the conversation. Imagine we are now talking about something a little more personal, like stress or a tough week.
Okay, let's try. Hey Anjali, honestly, this week has been rough. Work's just piling up.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. What's been going on?
Just a lot of deadlines, back to back. I barely had time to breathe.
That sounds exhausting. Do you want to talk about it? Or would you rather just relax and not think about work right now?
Honestly, let's just not talk about work. I need a distraction.
Say no more. Let's talk about something fun instead. What's the last thing that actually made you laugh?
Oh, this video of a cat falling off a table. Simple, but it got me good.
Classic. Okay, feeling better already?
Actually, yes. Thanks for that. I needed it.
Beautiful moment there, friends. Notice, barely had time to breathe means extremely busy. Do you want to talk about it? A caring, supportive phrase friends use. And say no more, meaning I understand completely. Let's move on.
That say no more phrase is such a good one. Feels very natural between close friends.
Exactly. That's what real friend conversations sound like, a mix of fun, caring, and casual talk, all flowing naturally.
This lesson honestly felt different from our others. More like we were just hanging out.
That was the whole point. Friend conversations don't follow strict rules like formal English does. They're relaxed, full of slang, humor, and genuine care.
So, friends, to summarize, we covered casual phrases like, "What's up? I'm so down for that. Count me in. Binge watched. No spoilers. My lips are sealed. And say no more."
Great recap. Try using even 2 or 3 of these with your own friends this week and see how natural it feels.
And comment below which phrase you like the most from today's chat.
If you enjoyed this casual conversation style lesson, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know if you want more videos like this.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye everyone.
Bye. And Anjali, seriously though, are we still on for that Italian place Saturday?
Count me in, obviously.
Bye everyone.